Hi everyone, in this video let's see how you can interact with APIs directly from web browser instead of using tools like Postman. So if you don't want to use Postman by adding the bearer token and then adding the body JSON and the other details that the Postman requires like this, then you can simply use the web browser for it. So first we will copy our URL and then we will paste it in the Google Chrome. After that we will add a question mark. Then we can add our template details over here. For now, I am adding a template of booking approval. So I will add template name is equal to booking approval. Then I can add the recipient's name. So there is no need to add details in this sequence. This is just for an example. You can add the recipient's name before, you can add the variable before, and the template details afterwards. So this is not the format that you have to follow. This is just for an example. So once you have entered all the details, you will click on enter. You can verify your details that it is correct as per the template. And after checking, we will then click on enter. So over here it is showing true. That means our webhook has received our details. So this is the flow. Over here the webhook will receive the details and I've added a basic router. So from this router I have set two filters. So in the first filter, if they enter the template name as booking approval, then they will receive this template. And in the second filter, I have set up the condition that if they select the template name as booking cancel, then they will receive this template message. So from here, you can send a template message. You can select the template that you want to send. Then you can map the details in the WhatsApp number. You can see have added the recipient. Then in the variables, I have mapped the variables they want to add. Then same in the second template message, I have mapped the template I want to send. Then I have mapped the WhatsApp number and the variables. Then you will click on save. So this is how you can interact with the APIs directly from web browser. Thank you.